Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A60 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button while using the camera at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here, and now we go to the more advanced settings at the left corner. And as you can see, here we are in the camera settings. To get access to the volume button, we have to slide down to the useful features here. And as you can see, here we have the shooting methods. And the first one here is the press volume key tool. And as you can see, by tapping on this, we get access to more advanced settings. We can pick from take picture or record video, zoom and system volume. So I'm going to pick zoom to show you how it works. And now I'm going back to the original camera. And here I've got the volume volume button, and by tapping on this I can zoom easily for now. And I can get really close and also get back. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.